Hello everyone. Hello friends. In this video we will be discussing about ternary operator. The other name for ternary operator is conditional operator. So this is very interesting, guys. Let us see with the example. Let me go to the code. I'm using header file .h. So after that let me write down main. So assume that I have three variables a comma b. Okay. So a comma b are there. Let me read some values into that. Printf enter a comma b values. So after that scanf %t comma ampersand a comma ampersand b. With this what happens? Actually we have taken two variables and we have taken input values. By using scanf you will be taking a value and b value, right? So now let us see how the ternary operator works. Okay, the other name for ternary operator I told you, like conditional operator. Very first let me introduce the symbol for ternary operator. Question mark followed by colon. What is that? Question mark followed by colon. That is the symbol representing the ternary operator. Actually the how the ternary operator works is, let us say, like you have condition, you have a value and b value, no? A greater than b, let us assume. Okay, a greater than b is the one condition you are checking here. So you are writing question mark. After condition I am writing printf a is big. After colon I am writing printf b is big, right? So like that I am writing. Now let us discuss how this ternary operator works. The ternary operator, as just now we have seen, it is denoted by the symbol question mark and what? Colon. So very first this ternary operator, before working into that, the condition will be checked. If the condition is true, whatever you write here after question mark, whatever we write here, the statement we write here will be executed. If the condition is false, whatever we write after colon, whatever we write, that will be executed. As per this code, we have written, right? If the condition is true, I am asking system to print a is big. If the condition is false, if a is not greater than b, if the condition is false, then I am asking to print the b value. B is big. Okay. So let me execute. Let me name it as ternary, and let me save it C, and let me execute. So see here, I am entering a value and b value. 12 I am entering, b value is 6. Obviously what is a value? 12. B is what? 6. Now see what is the output I am getting. I am pressing enter. A is big. Why I got the message A is big? Why? Because, have a look. Here, very first the condition is checked. A greater than B. 12 greater than 6. Possible or not? True. That's why the true, that's why whatever we wrote after question mark will be executed. If I have written the A value as small, I could have got the output like B is big. Let us see that one also. Okay. Now let me execute one more time. A value is 30, B value is 34. Now see here, we are getting the output like B is big. Why? Because here the condition is false. As the condition is false, whatever the thing we have written after colon will be executed. Right? So that is how this ternary operator works. Let us take one more example. Right? Let me assume I have taken a variable C. I am writing this statement here like this. C equals to A greater than B question mark A colon B. Right? Like this I have written. Okay. Now have a look what I am trying to do. I am using assignment operator also. So here I am not, in this place I am not writing any printf A is big, printf B is big. What will happen here is, here the condition will be checked. A greater than B condition will be checked. If the condition is true, whatever you have written after question mark, what you have written? Variable A. That will be stored in C. Otherwise, whatever you have written after B, A, sir, colon, after colon, whatever you have written, that variable will be stored in C. Now see here, I am trying to execute printf %d, comma, C. Okay. Now let me execute. I'm entering A value as 12, B value as 6. What is the output I am getting? 12. Why 12 you are getting here? So A value 12, B value is 6 we have given, right? So you are checking A greater than B, 12 greater than 6. Condition is true. That's why if the condition is true, whatever written you are after question mark, what is there here? A is there. That will be stored in C. And C you are printing here. The 12 whatever stored in C, that you are printing. That's why you are getting the output like 12. For example, if you have given A value as 5, B value as 12 or B value is 50. Okay, I repeat, A value as 5, B value is 15. Now see what is the output I got it? 15. So here what I am telling the system, the A greater than B or not. A greater than B not possible. Why? Because B is greater. That's why after colon what you have written? B. That will be stored in C. That's why that stored B value in C is getting printed. Right? So like this, somebody will be having a question like, how should I work if I have to compare three values, A comma B comma C? Let us assume. Okay. So I am reading how many values here? Three values. Ampersand A comma ampersand B comma ampersand C. Three variables I have. Now check how I am checking the biggest of three numbers using ternary operators. Okay. So A greater than B and A greater than C. If A is greater than B and A is greater than C, then obviously who is big? A is big. That's what printf A is big. If the condition is true, A is big will be printed. If the condition is false, again you have to check the condition for B. So B greater than A and B greater than C also you can check. Otherwise directly B greater than C you can check. Why? Because you are coming to this condition only if A is not big. Obviously you need to check whether B is big or not. So you can compare with C. If B is greater than C, then printf B is big. I am going to write this statement in the second line, but make sure this is single line what we are writing here. If condition B is greater than C, then printf B is big. Otherwise, colon, condition false. What you have to do? What is remained here now? Printf C is big. That is what we need to write. So just look at the code, what I have written. The seventh and eighth line comes under single line. You are checking the condition A is greater than B and A is greater than C. If the condition is true, what will be printed? A is big will be printed. If this condition is failed, then you are coming after colon. What is there in after colon? B is greater than C. You are checking whether B is greater or not. So if B is greater than C, then B is big. You may have a doubt here. Again, I'm telling you, you may have a doubt why you are not comparing with A. I can compare with A also, but you are coming to the place only after confirming B is not A is not greater. Then only you are coming now. Then the competition between B and C only. That's why I am directly comparing with C. Okay. So B is big. If this condition is true, then B is big. If this condition is false, who is remain? C. Condition false. What is who is remain? C is big. That's what I am printing. Okay, let us execute this code. A value 12, B value 4, C value 56. Among this, who is big? C. 56 is big. Right? What is the output we should get? C is big. That's what we are getting. This is how we can compare three numbers also. Biggest of three numbers program also we can do by using ternary operator. We can say like it is an alternative for if else and else if ladder. Okay, hope you understood. Thank you.